In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Jobber and QuickBooks synchronization. By the end, you'll have Jobber connected to QuickBooks Online so your invoicing and accounting stay aligned without duplicate data entry. This connection helps keep customer records, invoices, and payments consistent across both platforms, saving time and reducing mistakes. Start inside your Jobber account. From the main dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and open the Apps section. This is where Jobber lists all available integrations. If you're not seeing the option to connect, make sure you're using an account with the right permissions. Some organizations limit who can add integrations, so an account owner or admin may need to do this. In the app marketplace, use the search bar to find QuickBooks. Look for the QuickBooks Online listing and open it. The listing page explains what information is shared and how the connection works. It's a good place to confirm that the integration matches your workflow and to see any notes from Jobber about the sync. When you're ready, select Connect. Jobber will prompt you to grant permission so the two systems can exchange data. Review the access details carefully, then choose Allow Access. This approval is required for the integration to function and doesn't change your data. It just enables the secure sync between the two services. You'll now see the integration screen with the option to connect to QuickBooks. Click Connect to QuickBooks. If you already have a QuickBooks Online account, sign in using your regular credentials. If you manage more than one company in QuickBooks, make sure you select the correct company file before continuing. If nothing happens when you click, check your browser for pop-up blockers and allow pop-ups for this site so the connection window can open. If you don't have a QuickBooks Online account yet, create one by following the on-screen steps, then return to the connection flow and complete the process. The prompts will guide you through confirming your account and authorizing the link to Jobber. Once connected, give the systems a moment to finish the handshake. Initial syncs can take a little time, depending on how much data you have. Afterward, you should see confirmation in Jobber that the integration is active. From here, your everyday work in Jobber will flow to QuickBooks as intended, keeping your books organized and up to date. That's it, your Jobber and QuickBooks synchronization is set up. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.